Hi guys, it's Cherael again and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some new nail goodies that I got from Amazon. So stay tuned. So the first nail goodie is this Mia Secret Resin and Activator. So I've seen a lot of nail techs talking about this Mia Secret combo, so I thought I'd buy it just to see how well it works. I'm excited for that. It used to adhere crystals and the activator would keep them in place. So we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you guys posted. So I also picked up a Rhinestone Pickup. This is a wax pen that allows you to pick up rhinestones and crystals with ease. It comes with 2 extra wax heads as well, and I have tried it. I love it. It's so convenient compared to what I used to do before. I used to apply top coat onto the tip of my dotting tool so I could pick up crystals. Too much work. Thank goodness for this. Can't believe it took me this long. I also picked up some long AF nails. These nails are hella extra and I can't wait to use them. I won't be doing a lot of nail designs with these because they are way too long for my liking. But I would be doing just a few, hence the reason I bought the smaller packs. So I purchased a white, a clear, and a natural color. So let me show you the tips that I'm accustomed to and the ones I bought so that you get a better idea. You guys see? It may not look like much, but that's hella long compared to mine. Also, I picked up some more Kiara Sky liquids. You know I love me some Kiara Sky. It's on the pricey side though, but it's nice and I love it. I also purchased this peel-off base coat that I'll be using a lot, just so that I can get more content up there, so stay tuned for that. It's so much more convenient than using acetone, which dries out your skin a lot, so I'll be using this a lot. So next, I purchased these IBD 5-second nail glue. This is the holy grail, guys. This is what I use to adhere my tips to my nails and they have never failed me. So yes, I highly recommend this nail glue for adhering your tips to your nails. Next, I have these Azure Beauty Christmas Dip Powders. I'm so ready for my Christmas nail designs. These colors are gorgeous and they can be used any time of the year. So let's get into these dip powders. So here's the first shade. It is this gray, which is a super basic gray, and this is what it looks like. I would also like to mention all these products came with their seal. Here's the second shade, which is a gold, and it is super pretty with some iridescent or silver glitter in it as well. It's so gorgeous. The red is a shimmery red acrylic and I just love it. It's perfect for the Christmas holiday. The blue is kind of like a teal blue and it has some silver glitter in it as well. It's so gorgeous. The red glitter has a mixture of long glitter flakes and small ones. It also looks like it's mixed with clear acrylic compared to the rest of the powders. It's more noticeable with the red glitter. I expect glitter to be very shimmery, but it was bland in my opinion. Maybe when it's applied to the nail it looks good. I'm excited to try. The peach color has a little shimmer in it and it's so gorgeous. And here is the green dip powder. It's nice as well, perfect for Christmas nail designs. And this pink acrylic, OMG. This is beautiful. It has these gold glitters in it as well. It's so nice. Here's the silver iridescent glitter powder. This one is so gorgeous as well. And then there's this glitter here which has blue, silver and grey glitters in it. It's super nice as well. So here are all the glitters together. Well, 2 are missing, but you'll see it in the next clip. Do you guys see how gorgeous this is? Oh my goodness. I can't wait for y'all to see all the designs I do with these powders. So I also picked up Pro Dip Top Coat and Activator from my local beauty supply store. I'll be using the top coat like base because I didn't get any base at the store, unfortunately. I also picked up Candid Bee. This is an antifungal lotion which stops the growth of fungi. I use it on my nails just to prevent any fungus or anything because it's easy for our nails to contact bacteria of any sort. So I just apply a drop of that ever so often. Prevention is better than cure, so I nip it in the bud quick. Since I change my nails often, I just try to prevent anything that could happen from happening. Well, this is my nail haul from Amazon. I will leave a link down below for all the products. And if you guys have any questions or comments, just feel free to leave those down below. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!